Hi everyone. Today we are discussing about Stored XSS, which means cross-site scripting which are stored in a location. In previous session we discussed about Reflected XSS, but here we will save XSS payload in comment session, or where we can submit a feedback. Whenever an authorized user we see this comment or any Stored XSS payload, it will get executed. This application is having two fields for entering name and a message. Let's evaluate the security code. There is no input sanitation happened in this code. It is accepting the message and displaying it. It is not verifying whether it is a payload or malicious script. Here I am entering XSS payload into the both field, but name field is only accepting few of the letters, but message field is accepting the entire script. Let us write it is accepting our payload or not. But the payload is not getting executed in the message field. Let's try to input the payload into the name field. But the problem we are facing is name field is only accepting few character. Let us bypass it. By editing the HTML code we can change the input size to 100. Now we can input more text into the field. Here the payload got executed in the name field. But the interesting part is, this payload got saved in the database. Whenever a user is visiting the page, this code will get executed. We can try any of these scripts, it will work. In the previous example we have established a reverse connection to a netcat listener. Now we can try exploiting the vulnerability medium level. Before that, clear the previous payload we have injected using reset database. While analyzing the security code implemented here, we understand the script tag is being blocked. That is blocked the name input field. But we already have tried a method the previous practical. That is by trying another payload other than script. This is a security code of high level. In both medium and high level, we can try any other tag other than script. So we are trying to exploit this vulnerability in high level only. In the previous security code in medium it was only blocking script tag. If we were using script tag in full capital case, we can bypass that one. But here in this high level, even if the letters are capitalized, that will be blocked. Here, after increasing the capacity of the input field, I am entering an image tag with the alert payload inside it. Whenever we are exploiting any vulnerability, if any payloads are being blocked by the application, we can try with another payload which is available on internet. In next session we will learn about another cross-site scripting vulnerability.